Good rising, sacred souls. I am very grateful for your presence in this moment. And today I'm going to talk about what is health for me. Overall, I see health as the greatest form of wealth, which occurs when you simply are at ease, when you feel whole, vibrant, and energetic, when you are full of exuberant light, when you feel connected with your roots and centered in your heart space with overflowing love and compassion for all loving beings. It is the realization that life is a play with many levels. It is also the absence of fear, because pure health is love, as in taking care of yourself. It occurs when you live with life, and not when you live in your mind. The word health contains the word heal, because health is about healing yourself, and so is love, which is a state of isness. It is about taking back your power to be again the master, while your mind is the servant. And when you know that you can have eternal peace if you choose so, if you look at the word health, you will come to find out that etymologically health means state of being whole. So when you are healthy, your world is not fragmented, but everything unites in harmony. And so you have to treat the whole. If there is a disease, because you are connected to everything energetically, so you can't just focus on the symptoms, because that is just how to make the money flow, but not life in its pure form. It just makes profit, but not health. Health also comes naturally when we simply can sit when we sit, when we simply walk when we walk, or that we simply just eat when we eat. So it is of great value to do the things in a mindful way and to fully experience what you are doing in that moment, and not to be already thinking of arriving somewhere, instead of enjoying what is here. Just like when you are dancing, where the purpose is never to arrive on a certain spot, but just to enjoy and express the flow of life through your body. Health is when the flow of life is in sync with the mysterious patterns and structures of the universe, which is formed by the music which God is playing. I believe we are all gods and goddesses in our essence, so we can choose our own music and what pattern we want to manifest and ripple out into the universe, while we can happily dance in gratitude to the rhythm of the sound of creation. And lastly, health is a choice that can be attained effortlessly by those who trust in the power of love and recognize the elusive nature of everything else. Our imagination has the potential to make us boundless, yet it also has the ability to impose limitations on us. Furthermore, I just want to point out that in the English language, the word body also means the word friend, as in buddy. Both words body and buddy are pronounced in a very similar way, which gives us a wonderful clue that there should be a friendship between the personhood and the body, because the body and the person have to always take care of each other in order to fully blossom. And also without the person, the body wouldn't be able to properly function on its own. And of course, without the existence of the body, the person would not be there, because both are interconnected and both are made of memory. But beyond the memory is something which the mind cannot express in words, for the mind itself could not even exist beyond memory. So I just assume that beyond memory, there is no music, as in no vibration, just pure silence, resting in infinity. So if you consider taking care of your mind, body, soul, heart, and spirit by exercising, raising your vibration, eating wholesome, nutrient-dense, raw, sun-kissed foods, drinking structured spring water, going outside in nature to go inside, while breathing in that wonderful sunlight and getting enough sleep, then you will not only feel like a god or goddess, but also the little ends of your chromosomes, which are called telomeres, will be lengthened. Usually, as we age, they shrink. So you can be biologically younger as you chronologically grow older. And the last thing I want to say is that you should never ever obsess about health, because whatever you cling to, you will lose. And then anxiety will be out there to get you. And once it got you, it'll probably want to go over the roof. So instead, have something yummy for your tummy, like a piece of strawberry shortcake to bring you peace, because after all, the entire human species is a family, so every day one of your relatives has birthday somewhere around the world. It's just that you can't teleport to all of them and be in multiple places physically at the same time. So you can eat the dessert alone. Well, no, just kidding. Don't go for the cake. It might be sweet, but it won't sustain you, and it will only leave you empty. Thus your tummy will turn into a giant hungry donut hole. And besides that, if you aspire to maintain a healthy lifestyle, delve into the study of nevermindology, and you'll be filled with a sense of joy and appreciation for life. While you'll be dancing so joyfully that even the cats down the street will ditch their nap and boogie along with you. Thank you for taking your precious time and expensive energy to listen to what I have to say. And may you always be a magnet for miracles and deep healing, with raining stars in bloom and drowning roses of dreams, just me.